Hello there, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's Desized here, and I'm really excited for you to watch this new video. Today, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Steam codes without you needing to have to pay for it. And here's something cool. It's fully approved by the store. Now, just to be clear, this isn't a hack or an exploit. The principal Steam store actually receive real money for the codes you download. Here's how it works. You'll watch video ads or something similar for a short time, and after just a couple of minutes, they'll credit a good amount of money to your account, which you can then redeem for a download Steam code. For instance, I got $100 in credits just by watching 4 minutes of video ads on a website, and this method is working worldwide. This tutorial will guide you through signing up and using the service. It's super easy. These advertisement offers for Steam codes started this year. They're completely legit, don't violate any rules, and are even pre-approved in partnership with the main code stores. So if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, first things first, head over to the website I'm showing you now. There, you can get your hands on practically unlimited Steam codes. You just need to qualify first, but don't worry, it's super easy and quick, taking less than 2 minutes. Just answer a few questions and you're ready to go. Okay, everyone, I hope you found our video useful. This one's for all you game enthusiasts who are willing to grab games and other premium content for free. Want me to explore more sites like this? Drop a comment below. If you enjoy this kind of content, and if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe. It makes a big difference for our channel. Have an awesome day and enjoy these freebies!